We're on back roads in Colorado, and apparently Bryant crossing the cattle guard, there must have been a piece of steel or something sticking up, because these are brand new tires, and we've just got a huge hole in this thing, and you can see where a rock wouldn't do that. He's hit a piece of steel or something, and it's anyway. So we're gonna take this off. I have some big patches. We're gonna have to patch it from the inside, and that'll get us just salida tonight. We'll have to get a new tire.
All right, we got the front tire disconnected. Old JD's working like a doctor.
Here's the good news, Bryant. At any time, I know how to get us right to Salida. So this trail just kind of goes around the areas we want to go, and I can get us on the highway and get us in there anytime. So, okay, all right, watch out. Go. All right, here we go.
Okay, we're using JD's fancy gadget tool here to get the tire off. Okay, do it again.
It's called a kickstand.
That's about as clever as it gets.
All right, come on down with it. All right. There we go. Okay, that side's done.
What's your rim? Next smart thing to do, people, is to head up into bear territory in the shade. Now the good thing here is JD's got the tire, so I'm faster.
What you want to do is get up in bear territory, put some bacon grease on you, and start changing tires. Okay, here's where the wrestling match comes in. Okay. I wish you had a hammer at this point.
Wait, hold on. You got it? You got it steady?
Yeah. Hang on, no, hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, push down right there, best you can. Oh, perfect, perfect. Yes, sir. Brother. All right.
Let's rotate it.
No, I got it. So we have a pretty big tear in our sidewall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a smaller patch on, and then I'm going to put a larger patch over the outside, and just hope it holds air. We can get on the highway and get to a city and get a tire. So Bryant and I laugh. In the morning we look at our routes and we go, oh, that's an 8-hour ride. And we go, oh, we'll turn that into 12.
We'll find a way to screw it up.
This is exactly how it happens.
Alrighty, so JD left. There's my bike. I'm here by myself, sort of in bear country, but I don't think there's anything to be concerned about, but if there is, I got some handy dandy bear spray. So I'm just gonna set up camp here underneath this tree to get out of the sun, which is very bright. And I think JD's gonna be gone for about 3 hours. Okay, so I just had a Kind bar. It's the salted caramel dark chocolate nut. I mean, it is really good. I got a little bit of iced tea to keep me company, keep me hydrated, and I got beautiful scenery. See the mountains off there in the background. It's really pretty. I happened to get a flat tire near the Moonshine Ranch. Pretty cool name, really.